In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on Facebook. First, open your device's Settings app. This is a crucial step because the Settings app is where you can manage all the permissions for your applications. On your screen, you should see various options such as Wi-Fi, notifications, and more. Look for the icon that resembles a gear or a wrench, which typically represents settings. Once you tap on it, you will enter a menu that controls how your device operates. This is important to ensure that your Facebook app has the correct access to function properly. Next, select Apps and then choose Facebook if you are using an Android device. On an iPhone or iPad, you will need to go to Privacy and Security. This step is essential because it directs you to the specific area where you can manage Facebook's permissions. On Android, after selecting Apps, you will see a list of all installed applications. Scroll until you find Facebook, which should be listed alphabetically. Tapping on it will bring you to a menu that shows the app settings and permissions. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, going to Privacy and Security will lead you to a list of permissions like camera, location, and contacts. This is critical for ensuring your privacy and controlling what information Facebook can access. Once you have selected Facebook, you will see the permissions that the app is requesting. These may include options such as camera, microphone, photos, location, or contacts. Each of these permissions allows Facebook to access specific features of your device. For example, allowing access to the camera means you can take photos directly in the app. Understanding these permissions is vital because it helps you keep your information secure while using Facebook. Now choose the permission you want to change. For instance, if you want to adjust the camera access, tap on that option. On the screen, you will be presented with different access levels. You typically have options like Allow or Don't Allow. This choice helps you control your privacy. If you do not want Facebook to use your camera, selecting Don't Allow is a good option. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it prevents unnecessary access that could compromise your privacy. After that, select your desired option, like Allow or Don't Allow, or another available access level. This action is key to finalizing your decisions about how much access you want to give. When you make your selection, you will often see a confirmation appear, indicating that your changes have been saved. This reassurance is comforting, as it lets you know that you have successfully adjusted your permissions. At this point, remember that the exact options may vary depending on your device and operating system version. Different devices may show slightly different menus or terminology. This variability is important to keep in mind as you navigate your settings. Familiarizing yourself with your device's layout can make this process smoother. If you need to change more permissions, repeat these steps for each one. It is a straightforward process that empowers you to manage your privacy effectively. Each permission you adjust helps tailor the Facebook experience to your comfort level. This way you can enjoy the app while feeling secure about your information. Finally, once you have finished adjusting your permissions, feel free to exit the Settings app. You have taken important steps to ensure your privacy while using Facebook. Remember, managing app permissions is an essential part of using any application. It keeps your information safe and allows you to enjoy social media responsibly. Thank you for watching, and happy Facebooking!